Hey everyone, so this is what Ryoshi, the coin creator, has recently spoken. Shiba is Shiba, that is all you need to know. And I didn't really understand what this means, but it just means Shiba is Shiba. It really, has a lot of questions, but thank you so much for dropping a like as we're dropping into a lot of news today, a lot of updates. But Shiba needs a big burning, and this is one of the most demanded features. If I, check every single comment for Shiba Inu, I could definitely see that Shiba burn is one of the most requested ones. Now, if we check over here, Shiba Inu price looks ready to retest this price level, so to eat a zero, and that's definitely true. It's now gonna be eating a zero, which I'll be showing you later on, and that's really good news for anyone holding their Shiba Inu coins. Really bad news for anyone new trying to get into SHIB. Now we can see 3-month term and 1.5 thousand. So he staked his Shiba Inu, and now he's getting his passive rewards. But bullish Ethereum traders can place risk-averse bets with this option strategy. And traders who believe Ethereum will reach $5,000 can use this low-risk option strategy. And basically, there's a guide over here that I found. That's really, really awesome. People are making their money in trading. If you want, you have a link in the description below for all my bonuses. But the most important factor is, while people make money in trading or make money in all sorts of things on the cryptocurrency market, there's a lot of ways you can profit with Shiba Inu. Now, one of those, very simply put, is when you stake your coins. When you stake your Shiba Inu coins, you support the economy by itself. So I do think Shiba Inu will grow massively in the future as more traders come in. People are coming in from Vietnam, they're coming in from Europe, they're coming in from Asia, they're coming in from America. The adoption is growing across 27 countries, and that's for SHIB. Shiba Inu's adoption is growing at a fast pace. For cryptocurrency overall, the adoption is growing, yes, but for Shiba Inu, it's one of the most talked about coins. And this is definitely very bullish right now, as I do think Shiba Inu will be going for that retest to reach higher prices. As Cointelegraph reported, in June, Vietnam ranked 13 in realized Bitcoin gains for 2020, despite having only the 53rd largest economy based on gross domestic product. But a multi-chain approach is the future of blockchain industry, so I do hope Shiba Swap can do that and actually go on multi-chain. They're going on their own blockchain, and that is probably next year because they're still far from getting on its own blockchain. Right now, they're on Ethereum blockchain. People are not happy with the high gas fees. There's two things that a lot of people are bothered about. First is a burn, a Shiba Inu burn. Second is high gas fees. So if we could fix those and getting on our own blockchain, will make a whole Shiba Inu ecosystem. A lot of cryptocurrencies, with a lot of utility, do not grow, but Shiba Inu has survived a bear market and is now ready to go for a bull market. Shiba Inu and both leash, as leash has been falling, there has been a 360,000 buy, and leash is super cheap right now, as there's not a lot of holders. People do trust the coin that it will grow. Yes, Shiba Inu's hype is down, but the holders are still here. People are still holding SHIB. And as we get to the next bull run, that's when we're going to be seeing Shiba Inu's price increase. Shiba Swap cannot get hacked, so multiple exchanges and probably multiple investors are putting their money into Shiba Swap and staking it because it gives you strong rewards. Now, crypto launderers use blockchain anti-analysis to evade law enforcement. That is something I saw, and you can see that extreme risk over here. The service charges its users about USD3 per Bitcoin. That's a bit of a research I found. So there's obviously still a lot of hacks out there. And with that, the government wants to do a lot of regulation. And with a lot of regulation comes a lot of FUD. But the regulation is good. Regulation is what causes Shiba Inu to get accepted by mainstream banks. And when it gets accepted by mainstream banks, that's when we can see the big growth happening for SHIB. When someone can come into a bank and request to buy $2 million worth of Shiba Inu, and maybe 5 people per day do that, imagine the growth of the coin. That would be simply insane. But I do think it's only the start. It's only the start for crypto. A lot of countries and a lot of governments think crypto is only for money laundering. It's useless. It's only for scams and, all sorts of things that I can't say on YouTube. But that is simply not true. And those who realize that, those who realize the potential of the blockchain, the potential of SHIB, the potential of all these cryptocurrencies, those get the most rewards, because those who are in early, obviously it's all a matter of perspective. Back in 2011, that was early, but maybe back in 2009 someone thought that they're not early anymore. So more and more people are investing into Bitcoin right now. There's more and more holders, and everything indicates that we're going to be reaching a new at its highest for Bitcoin and both for Ethereum. So what will happen to the price of Shiba Inu? I definitely do think it will increase as Shiba Inu looks to retest another 0.00001. It's looking to eat a few zeros over here. So that's definitely something else. Finally, as we saw Shiba Inu being stable for a few weeks, it didn't change the price because of the relief fund, because of the donations. We could be seeing once again that big donation happening where, sorry, no more big donations, but that big donation sell-off actually gone. So we are going to be seeing no more extra supply, and with a burn we could be reaching 1/3 of a cent or either 1 cent. What do we expect to see in phase 3? So right now we're in phase 2, and I think we're going to be the phase 3 in 2022. When will the ecosystem be completed? So if I was to guess, since phase 3 is in a financial ecosystem, I'm expecting to see variations of concepts described in this video. I don't expect it to be done anytime soon, maybe 1 to 2 years after the blockchain, and blockchain is probably going to be in 2022, especially since the attempts to regulate crypto is on the way. It could create some time-consuming obstacles. So Shiba Inu is going to be at least, alive for a next 3 to 5 years, and it will be only increasing from the price onwards. If we check over here, you can see that they're doing a lot of things. They're doing multiple phases, and ARK Invest is doing also something different. They're doing multiple phases on how crypto will grow. You can see all of that. The digital wallets are winning, and Katie Wood really explained it pretty well. As we're reaching phase 2, phase 3, and everything else, right now we're seeing credit and debit cards, we're seeing wire transfers, ATMs, all of those you can buy crypto. Now we gotta see mobile payments, we gotta see social payments and digital wallets, all of these on our crypto phones. So that would be really awesome. But we do have also Robinhood news. So Robinhood to leash Shiba Inu trading platform's reply to a poser leaves investors confused. Now Shiba Inu are eager to see their favorite meme cryptocurrency getting listed. Investors have started online petitions. And here's what Robinhood's customer service responded to a question that in reality sounds like a 5-year-old gibberish. So that's what the article says, not me. But the question from the team was straightforward: which SHIB be listed on Robinhood? The response from customer support failed to answer the question and ended up beating around the bush. Moving forward, we plan to support the ability to buy and sell other cryptocurrencies, and we'll be sure to let you know as more become available. Keep in mind that supporting market data for individual cryptocurrency doesn't necessarily mean we plan to add buying and selling. And other than that, just let us know if there's anything else I can answer for you. I'm here to help. And they probably don't know that the support does not know, because the upper board members have the final decision. And going by the response, Robinhood listing Shiba Inu won't be a reality anywhere soon and might take months or years for the deal to go forward. So if we see this in 2022, imagine the explosion. But the reports are doing around the SHIB coin will be listed on Webull app, which has just happened and is currently in testing phase. The coin was also recently listed on Coinbase custody. So getting listed on Coinbase custody is a small process to getting listed on Coinbase then. Now SHIB is already being displayed for investors on Webull, but we're unable to trade. And just recently, SHIB was listed on eToro. Dogecoin's co-founder Jackson Palmer slammed the ad for pitting two coins against each other and urged people to unfollow the app. So this was a bit of drama we saw. No harm done. But if we check over here, a lot of things are still happening. And a lot of things will be happening in the future. Right now, 55% of the world's top 100 banks reportedly have crypto and blockchain exposure, and a lot more banks are going to be coming in. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and dropping a like. Until next time, peace everyone.